Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can make wire transfer from Chase. So first of all, log into your Chase application or on their official website. So once you have logged in, tap on the menu in the top left corner and then tap your wire transfer and then schedule transfer. Once you do so, choose or add your recipient and tell Chase Bank the account you would like to wire funds from. Enter the wire amount and date and then tap next button. Now in order to complete, tap schedule wire and then close. Also note that this is the important point that wire transfer are typically subject to fees and that the funds requested for the wire transfer will leave your account immediately. Now, if you noticed an error such as incorrect dollar amount or bank account number after a transfer is initiated, contact your bank immediately. In most cases, a wire transfer can only be stopped or paused for correction if a cancellation notice is received before the transfer is complete. So that's the whole process of how you can make wire transfer from Chase.